Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the cock ring set by the Teazers collection. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers cock ring set itself. Now these cock rings are manly and durable and they can be worn in various different ways. It comes in a set of 3, all in various different sizes. And the cock rings are extra wide for maximum wearing comfort. You can put them on using water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And you can be sure that there is always a right size for you. This is the largest, medium and small. The material is made of a silky soft silicone, so it's very soft on the skin, and they're also slightly stretchy and flexible for the perfect fit. Now make sure to clean the cock rings after every use using either toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the cock ring set by the Teazers collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.